Doug. I finally made it to Cookout.
Hey, buddy. You walked here in the Anvil storm?
Yep, had to get my Oreo mint milkshake.
Sorry, pal. The milkshake machine got crushed 2 minutes ago.
No.
I'll just take a big double burger then.
Grill's crushed too.
Fine, I'll just have some fries.
The deep fryers.
Let me guess. Crushed?
Not exactly. It started striking everybody after everything else broke down.
The deep fryer went on strike?
No, it started striking everyone.
Okay then, guess I'll just come back next week.
Yeah, see you, pal. That's gonna leave a mark.